Hello guys, welcome back to Herdio channel. Today this video shows how to install Herdio's outdoor speakers. I will show the installation and wiring of 401 outdoor speakers in our office. If you're new to Herdio, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our updates. So let's get started. Okay, I'm attaching a wiring diagram from our office. We use passive outdoor speakers that need to be linked to an amplifier to work. You can see where we set up the power supply. Link the amplifier with the end of the speaker cable. After plugging in the power, the blue light of the amplifier lights up, which means it is looking for a Bluetooth signal. Then the other end of the speaker cable, we use two 12-meter speaker cables pulled upwards. We also set an additional switch for volume adjustment, and then routed them along the wall to the left and right respectively. Now we bring the speakers to the other end of the cabling. Remove the plastic knob. You can see that I have nailed the iron frame to the wall in advance. You need to use screws or nails to fix the iron frame to the wall. Now we can start wiring the speakers. If you don't know how to wire them, you can go watch the video we made before. Alright, wiring is done. Now we just put the speakers on the iron frame with the knob to fix it. Note that you can control the speaker rotation by adjusting the tightness of the knob. The tighter the knob, the less likely the speaker will move. Certainly, we can easily adjust the direction of the speaker. Next, I will show the Bluetooth connection on my iPhone and play music.
What if I tried? What you then? Consider my time well spent.
Of course, if you do not fix the speaker on the wall and do not want to use the iron frame, you can also use flat head screws and screw caps on the back of the speaker to fix it. Alright, so hopefully this video will help you how to install and wire our outdoor speakers. If you're looking for the right outdoor speaker for you at Herdio, contact us by email. Always happy to help. Then be sure to subscribe and check out the other Herdio speaker series. See you in the next video.